Here, come take a look. Open the door. Open the door. It's not gonna fucking explode on you. No.
Oh, shit. What the
It fucking fell apart because I fucking tried to glue it down and it didn't stay. It's yeah, dude. I got tired of the outdoors being outdoors, so I brought it inside. Life version in the M4. Bro, hey! Put the grass back. You're banned. Cold. Holy shit. Here, do it again. Oh my gosh, that is so loud. That is stupidly loud. This fucking tire is flapping, bro. We're gonna get stuck. There's a camera above us, right to our left. That's what I'm saying. The noise of it flapping, bro. Alright, that's good. Yeah, that's fine. We pull in and this dude just immediately starts fucking doing donuts. I was like, what is happening? Here, wait, go back to Kevin's car real quick. He needs to turn his car off. His car's literally on.
No. Actually, cameras. No, right here. There's cameras everywhere.
There's Kevin is screaming. God. We gotta change spots. Alright, we gotta go. We gotta fucking leave. Alright, get out of the fucking car. Go. You're a madman. You're a madman. Grass car. How did you scrape? You're literally a boat. Wi-Fi, because you don't want to connect to Apple CarPlay. So don't fuck your shit up.
TJ Muhammad.
Oh, I'm not Muhammad, bro. I'm Abdul Samad. Muhammad, please.
Yeah, wait, has the time come? Are we tuning the M5?
Okay, we're trying something first.
What are your burble settings?
On.
We have 150,000 miles.
OEM style? No.
After the tune, it's gonna blow up.
Open the sunroof and the doors and the trunk and has asshole.
What?
Bro, I'm gonna have to put so many subtitles on you. Gosh.
You're not
We
funny.
literally have 111,000 miles on this.
It might not work, guys.
It might not work, guys.
Oh my fucking.
Stop, don't move. What the fuck? It blew axle, guys.
Oh.
No.
This is gonna be part 2
No.
of how not to tune fucking BMWs.
Kevin,
Are you
join the
breaching?
No, he has COVID. No.
That's COVID, actually.
No, he does that.
Are you dead ass?
Don't open the door. Don't open the door.
Are you dead ass?
No, he have COVID. What do you do if he has AIDS?
He has HIV.
Well, if it's transferable, bro.
Oh.
Successful.
Oh, 30 seconds.
1, 4.
Start this bitch.
Is it?
Start it.
Are you sure?
Positive. It's been 40 seconds.
All right, good sign. Very good. Check the oil.
She's alive.
Hold up. Checking light is gone, sadly.
Oh yeah, for your downpipes?
Are you like on a stage 1 tune or what?
No tune.
Oh, you gotta gap this 328, bro. You have to gap this 328.
Series, bro.
Oh.
It's a Kevin series.
Does it go faster?
It's stock.
That's it?
That was full throttle. Yeah, get the 7 Series. You don't want the smoke. We're 4 deep too. Oh, the 7 Series got you! He fucking got him! It's fucked up. And no turn signal. Typical BMW owner.
Motherfucker. I'm done.
Bro, why does it sound like a trumpet? It sounds like a V6.
Sound like a BQ, bro.
It totally does.
Does it actually?
Yes. It totally sounds like a VQ, doesn't it?
Now that you say that.
Bro, how? How? We didn't even do
We'll
anything.
try it again.
Is that full throttle?
Yeah.
Really?
Look, it's in limp mode.
I don't know.
Bro, M5 things. Have it. Still sounds like a VQ. thing. I don't even like that. Holy shit. Am I good? Thank you. Holy fucking shit, dude. That's...
Yo, it's the Hyperman set. AJ Tracy live and direct. DJ mash up the deck. The microphone champ is live and direct.